everyone to come here. Your coming here is not just coming, this coming projecting us to the large destination. We are welcoming to those who have been with us from a long time, and also to those who is live here. Today, I will tell to you people three basic things that what we did and what we are doing, and the last one, which is what we will do. So in this academy, in the last 4 months, we teach to students different subject. We taught to them English, and you can see, you can watch them, that how can they speak, that how can they present themselves. So all these things come by struggles, by working hard, and by continuous working. The next thing is that in the last 4 months, we also did some other thing that we can say that is social thing. We distributed more than 1,600 jackets and more than 300 blankets. So these are for the poor peoples, and we will continue it inshallah. The next thing is that what we are doing nowadays. So nowadays in this academy, here are 2 classes. The first one is English conversation class. The next one is English grammar class. So the English conversation class, we are preparing students that how can you speak, how can you be able to present yourselves. And the next one, which is English grammar class, you see one of the students of English grammar class, there will be no grammatical mistake, there will be full fluency. And the last thing which I am going to share with you people, according to which we organize this program, and that is we are going to project, we are going to organize, and we are going to make a school. In school, why we are creating school? Why we are making school? This is a big question. So the purpose is that nowadays you see that there is chaos, there is disturbance, there is trouble in each and every walk of life. So we thought that how to erase, how to omit, how to remove the troubles from our lives. So we came to know that education is the only source through which you can erase all the things. And the next one is, you know, there is a famous quote, education is wisdom. Education is the strongest weapon through which you can bring change. So if you want to bring change, so you have to get education, and for that purpose you have to cooperate with us, and without your cooperation we are nothing. Educational systems, institutes, these are running by cooperation of different people. When we cooperate with each other, we will create, we will make our bright future. So please cooperate with us, stay tuned with us, and inshallah we will give to you people bright future. And we will not just teach to you your children, we will not just teach to your children ABC. We will teach to them how to live life, how to become a good leader, how to live a successful life. So here we will teach all these things. So please cooperate with us, and our tuition classes, our language class, and our grammar class will continue in the month of Ramadan. So this was all about our process. This was all about what we done and what we are going to do. So thank you for coming here. I am offering to you people very warm welcome from my side. Thank you.